I did it, and I'm terrified. It is hard to explain how I committed this error, but hopefully I will get there. The more I climb Via Ferrata, the better I trust the equipment. In time, it became a habit to rest by releasing my grip and sitting relaxed while sustained by the resting system. Nothing bad about it. It is why I call it a resting system. But yet, we have it. The other day on the mountain, I made the biggest mistake on Via Ferrata so far. The reason, sleep deprivation. The lesson, make sure your habit to double check is implanted at a very deep level of your subconscious. Routine is good. Habits are better. Make sure you have as many good habits possible, because breaking routine will almost always get you into trouble. Totally disconnecting from the safety steel cable, it is breaking routine. Doing so, it might easily be the most frequent cause of drops to the ground in Via Ferrata. Here is what happened to me. That day, I left home in the middle of the night without any sleep at all, and I started my climb after sleeping for only 2 hours in between. I was exhausted. My cognitive capacity was impaired, and all I could rely on was the habit of climbing. At a point, once reached a cave, I disconnected from the safety steel cable to be able to get inside and navigate around. On my return back to the Via Ferrata, I almost jumped on the ledge, forgetting that I was disconnected from the safety steel cable. I forgot. I was so tired that I didn't remember that I'm completely disconnected from the safety steel cable of the Via Ferrata. After putting my first leg on the ledge and almost crossed on the other side of the safety steel cable, I realized what I'm doing. I froze. In an instant, I became conscious of a mistake and how unaware of my actions I was. I'm terrified. What an error. I cannot believe. If my brain would have stayed numb, maybe at a point I would have just released my grip, thinking that the resting system would catch me. Such a mistake. I was totally disconnected and I forgot. This was quite a lesson. No matter how prudent and experienced we are, some mistakes are just that. Mistakes. Thank you for watching. This is my way of giving back. Until next time, please comment, like, share and subscribe, because it helps a lot.